Hey, it's me. I'm uploading another video, and this time I'm doing the feedback for Teamo.team. The reason I picked this landing page, it's because it looks very clean and it didn't have any replies on indie hackers. So I just thought, you know what, I'll just do this one and give you some feedback. So, first of all, the things I like. I like the design of the landing page. I like the fact that it shows a little mock-up of what your product does. And I like the fact that you use the layout where you have some text, a screenshot, some text, and this is called the Z or the Z layout for explaining features or product benefits. And yeah, I think it's a very clean website that really requires just a little bit of love, and it's potentially perfect. So, potentially, that's the keyword. So, team cards. 95% of employees say they feel like a cog in a machine. We're here to change that. Join our beta. Cool. So, although this kind of like addresses what the solution you're giving does, changing the fact that 95% of employees feel like they're cog in a machine, it's not really giving me a solution. So it's just saying, yeah, we're here, we can help you change that. But what I was expecting from this initial part was more like, what is the solution? Like, how do you change that, Um, so if I scroll through the website, okay, so you have join our beta. Okay, that's cool. It's a nice call to action. I'm gonna click it. All right, what do we have? Join our beta. First look, be the first one to try our platform and let us know your thoughts. Free pro account, enter your email. So this is great because what happens is I already have a reason to join. If I am of the idea that my team is suffering because they're feeling like a cog in a machine, I would totally give you my address here, which I will do. And let's see what happens next. All right, you send me an email. Perfect. So I'm expecting an email coming from you. Okay, so let's scroll down. So I already gave you my email. I'm like, okay, you know what? I'll trust you. You didn't give me any proof as to what you're building because you just said we're here. So basically what I'm trying to say is the second sentence here, you could totally change it and make it a little bit more realistic. What are you doing to change that? Like 95% of employees say they feel like a cog in a machine. We something to change that. Like we created a platform that retains, their happiness by using whatever, strategies or whatever theory there is behind cohesive teams and happiness, right? So then there's this little mock-up of something. So what does it say here? So congrats on your promotion, Alex. This looks like an email that someone received because they got a promotion. Okay, hey there, post a Teamo for Alex Thermal to show some love and support. So is this some kind of email or platform that teammates get when... What? Hey, okay, congrats on your promotion, Alex. So I'm not Alex, right? In this example, I'm not Alex. It's more like, hey Alex, or rather, sorry, it's more like, hey team, Alex just got a promotion. Hey there, post a Teamo for Alex and show some love. So basically, me as a third, as Bob, I'm getting inside the platform this notification that Alex has just, got promoted, so I should show him some support. Okay. And then it says celebrate the team. Teamo sparks happiness and builds stronger relationship with fun and lively virtual cards. Okay, so this is what you guys are actually doing. So 95, this is a true. This is probably. I mean, it is true. This is the issue. And team cards is definitely shouldn't be your H1. Your H1 should be what is the problem that you're trying to solve, and what is the objective that you're trying to communicate to your audience of how you're going to solve it. So you could switch this around, swap this around, and have this one here, fun and lively virtual cards to spark happiness and build stronger teams. And then as a second title, you could have 95% of employees say they feel like a cog in the machine. Research has shown that da 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 da. And then you say, instead of join our beta, you could say even something better. You could say change, or like bring your bring happiness, something with happiness, right? Like promote happiness among your team now, right? So it's a actionable call to action. Like join today and have a happier team. That also works. And of course you want to keep it short, so obviously work on the copy. Next, okay, so I got to here, give more than a Slack message. That's so true. So many people are just like using karma bots and giving Slack messages. From a teammate's birthday to new hire on the team, every special occasion deserves more than a simple Slack message. Okay, so this is a problem that needs to be addressed. And how do you address it? So you basically give them a card. Okay, so let's see. Make card signing easy for all. Invite teammates with shared links so everyone can spice up the card with fun. Okay, so what you're not addressing here is, no one wants really to buy a feature, right? So you have to show how you solve the problem. Are you providing some kind of platform? Is this something that they receive through their email? And it looks like you have built a platform that they sign into, and then something happens with these messages. But at this point, it's still not clear what's gonna happen. I'm still unsure if this is just like something that they get as an email, or somehow does it connect to the HR, like Gusto HR or something else? I feel like it could be an add-on for Gusto. Cards in a snap. Using the built-in dashboard, you can create a new card and manage them all with a simple click of a button. Try the demo. Okay, let's see. So this is kind of, you see, try a demo. This is a little bit upsetting, right? Like I want to see a demo, I want to see a video maybe, or I want to, go on like demo.teamo.team, and instead I'm just having the same call to action as the top of the page. So this call to action needs to change. So then here you have, all of the different scenarios, which is great. This is really great. And you have this like emojis, and you have the explanation. So for example, new baby, good to see your new baby, Tom. Hey there, post a Teamo for Tom Jones. I like this name, Tom Jones. And show some love and support. And everybody is just posting support, which is really, really good. To the point where I almost feel like a little bit of interactivity up here at the top, where you might have this as an animated, it shows different cards, appearing instead of just this one. Because as I load the page, I see this and I'm already confused. I don't really know what's going on. So you might not, it's up to you. But I really like this part here. So here it shows me that it's versatile and it works for multiple things. Any memory, anytime. Paper cards can easily get lost. I get them and then I throw them away. This one treasures memories for a lifetime. So this is definitely a feature, and also solves the problem of storing cards, which can be fun. And a little bit more details. How do you store them? What happens if I quit the company? Can I take the cards with me? That's an interesting, I don't know. And then here it says Teamo works with me, and then join our beta. I feel like you could give something out here in exchange for joining our beta, because if people have taken the time to scroll all the way down here, this call to action could be like, organize a 15 minutes call with our founders to chat, and then schedule a call, something like that. And that would be a great way for you to speak with your potential customers, for people who are really like, they've read this far and they really wanna connect with you. So that being said, the things I'd really make me a little bit nervous are the fact that there's no about page, no company page. There's a Facebook and an Instagram. There's no Twitter, which fair enough. Not everybody has to have Twitter, but I would definitely have an about page, a mission page, and an attempt to a pricing page. It'd be interesting to know how much this is going to cost. Will it scale? And even if it's not, a buy now kind of like pricing page, maybe in the about page you can write about that, and you can talk about who are the members of your team and all these kind of things. But overall, really clean design. The idea, I also like it, but I know I'm not here to judge ideas. And if you do those like little changes to your titles, your call to actions, and a little bit about how you present the interface of your platform, or rather, you introduce your platform, that will definitely boost the effectiveness of your landing page. And with that being said, that's it for the video. I hope you found this to be, somehow informative. And well, if you want to chat, if you change the landing page and you want to resubmit it, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or comment in the comment section under this video, and I will do the next version of your landing page. So good luck, and I hope everything goes well for you. So thanks for watching.